If your Chevy Traverse just clicks when you turn the key, you are likely dealing with a simple power issue. In 8 out of 10 cases, the clicking sound is just the starter solenoid failing to engage due to low voltage. Let us break down exactly how to find the culprit in your driveway. Start by inspecting your battery terminals for corrosion and ensuring the ground connection is secure. Most often, your battery has simply lost its charge, or the cables have developed too much resistance. If the battery tests fine, you might be looking at a bad relay or a failing neutral safety switch. Cleaning your terminals is a quick DIY fix, but a fried starter motor will require a professional shop visit. Replacing a battery is affordable, while a starter motor replacement can push your costs significantly higher. Use a multimeter to confirm you have proper voltage before committing to buying new parts. Keep a basic socket set and a multimeter in your garage to handle these electrical gremlins yourself. Always remember to disconnect the negative battery cable before performing any work on the starter to prevent short circuits. Start with the battery cables and you will likely be back on the road in no time.